Name is Jesse Barcelone, and in this video, I'm going to go ahead and install VMware Workstation. So VMware Workstation is virtualization software that will allow you to run different virtual machines on your system. So I've already gone through the download process, and now I'm going to go ahead and execute the executable. I'm going to go ahead and click yes to the warning. And the installation process is pretty simple. They'll just click the executable, accept the terms of the license agreement, and click next through the various options. I'm going to click next here, accept the license terms, click next, click next at these options. I'm going to uncheck that, click next. Both of those. Next, and install. At this point, it's installing the various drivers. Once the status bar goes all the way to the right, it will be complete and we can click finish. Okay, so it's done and I'll click finish. And that's how we install VMware Workstation. You will now see there's a shortcut on the desktop. Thank you.